Welcome to online class which is arranged by A&K College, Ramnagar. I am your English teacher, Mustafizur Rahman Asha. Today, our first class. Hopefully you are well and I congratulate you for your SSC result. English subject is not so hard. If you cordially learn from me, then you should understand English is not a hard subject. So you and I, both students and teachers, we are friends. No hesitation, no tension. We are entering the world of English. You have to remember that English our compulsory subject. So it is very important not only our academic result but also for our better career. Today I will discuss about English subject, ENGLIS is English subject. Number 2, mark distribution. Number 3, how to write and read your answer sheet. I will clarify that how to write it is suitable for your answer sheet and how to read it is used in your home, in your classroom. You have to know that English subject. We use two types of English in Bangladesh, American and British. In our textbook, according to our syllabus, we observe that our textbook is modified with the help of American English. So we have to follow the rules of American English. Then mark distribution. In English subject is divided into two papers. One paper, first paper and second paper. Code number, first paper 107 and second paper 108. Full marks, first paper 100 and second paper 100. You have taken only 180 minutes for each paper. English first paper 3 hours and English second paper 3 hours. Everything is writing section. No objective type question, no creativity question, just writing section. At first, I will discuss about English first paper. English first paper, we have a textbook, English for today. We have a textbook. And this textbook, we have found 15 units and 57 lessons. 15 units and 57 lessons. For your kind information, I just collect the books to see see you. Look at the books. This is the English for today. English for today. English for today. It is a board book and English for today. And here we observe that 15 unit and 57 listen. 15 unit and 57 listen. If you face any problem to buy these books, please contact me. My contact number is 01711966072. Any English grammatical problem, any problem according to English, you please contact me this number. Now we return our discussion. Number 1, scene passage. Scene passage. Scene passage means this passage has collected from your English for today 50 unit, 15 unit and 57 listen. And question number A, multiple choice. Question number B, short question. Short question. Multiple choice. 5 question has come and each question contains 1 mark. There is no alternative question. Short question 2 into 5, 10. When you answer the question, you follow the passage. Read the passage carefully and answer the question. A, multiple choice. 5 questions have come and every question has 4 parts. Suppose, what is our capital? Maybe this question has come and answer given Dhaka, Rajshahi, Kumilla and Khulna. To read the passage carefully and then you answer the question. When you write your answer sheet, just write such kind of way. Answer to the question number 1A. Here, 1 Dhaka. This question is very easy. You read the passage carefully and answer the question. Short question. This is very similar which you do your SSC level. 5 questions come. Maybe suppose where is Dhaka located? You help with the help of passage. You just write the answer. Number 2, follow chart. This is a new item. Number 2, follow chart. This is a new item. You have not done in the SSC syllabus. Number 2, follow chart. Here, mark 10. When I take class about follow chart and another items, then I describe the item fully. Now I just tell you about topics and mark distribution. Only topics and mark distribution. Today I am not discussing about the topic. I just the name and list the topic. Number 3, summary. You may be called main theme of the passage, and summary has come and 2 2 and 3 is 2 passages. One passage, with the help of one passage, you write follows up, and number 3, another passage has come, and with the help of the another passage, you write summary. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you have found 3 passages. From one passage, you answer 1A, B, and then the next passage, number 2, you answer follow chart, and the next passage, number 3, you answer summary. Number 4 and number 5 is very similar, which we do in our SSC syllabus. Number 4, gap with clue. And here the mark distribution of 5. 10 question has come. Each question is containing 0.5, means half. Number 5, gap without clue. This question contains 10 marks. Every question, each question contains 1 mark. Number 6, rearrange. Rearrange containing 10 marks. Rearrange has come 10 sentences, and every sentence is not similar to another sentence. It may be come as a story, it may become the life of a famous person. And total 1 to 6, total number 60. It is called scene comprehension item. And then writing section. Please look at the spelling. Writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G, not double T. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing section is containing 40 marks. And in writing section, paragraph, completing story, email, letter, graph, chart, map, and number point. Here the mark distribution 10, it is included 40 marks. 10, 7, 5, 10 and 8. Total 40 marks. This is the item. Paragraph 10 marks. Completing story 7 marks. Email / letter. Any question has come. Email or letter 5. Graph, chart, map. You look, 3 items here. Only 1 item has come. 2 items here. Email and letter. 1 item has come. Poem. You have write the main theme of the poem, not poem. Poem, critical appreciation. What do you mean by critical appreciation? Critical appreciation just like as main theme. What's the difference between summary and main theme? Summary, you have write from the passage. And main theme you have write from the poem. And the mark distribution summary 10 and poem 8. So today's English first paper is 100 marks. I will discuss. Now I will discuss English second paper. English second paper is not so hard, maybe hard. I just coached in Rabindranath Tagore. কালো, সে যতই কালো হোক, দেখেছি তার কৃষ্ণ কালো চোখ। English is just like Krishna Koli eyes. You don't worry. You don't worry. You don't worry. English is just like as an actress of Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif. So we every day enjoy our English class. So come to our point. We now discuss the mark distribution and the topic English second paper. This subject code 108. English second paper. English second paper, and many students spelling is wrong about grammar. Look at the spelling. Grammar. Grammar. And number 2, writing section. Writing section 40 marks and grammar 60 marks. You are surprised that in English first paper, writing section 40 marks and English second paper writing section 40 marks. It is true that two subject writing section containing 40 marks. In writing section, here we find paragraph. You think, sir, paragraph includes in first paper, paragraph includes in second paper. What's the difference between first part and English second paper's paragraph? The difference between first part and English second paragraph is, in first paper, you have some clue. Suppose a school, a college library. In English second paper, just come question in this way. Write a paragraph about a college library. And in first paper, the question has come just away. What is a library? What do you know about college library? From my discussion, you understand that in English first paper, paragraph has come with clue, and in English second paper, paragraph has come without clue. Next, report. Report means in Bengali, Potibedon, which has come in newspaper. And when I discuss about report, I will briefly discuss about report. Application, it may be called formal letter. Application / email. And composition. Composition is as like as beloved here. Beloved here means here is long and straight, and composition is size is big because it containing 40 marks, it containing 8 marks, it containing 8 marks, it containing 10 marks, total 40 marks. Here the writing section, paragraph, report, application / email. 2 items here. From the board question 2016 to 2019, we observed that every year application has come largely, and email has come in English first paper largely, and composition, one composition has come and you write one composition. So time takes rudely, so I just say that today I am not discussing about grammar. Next class I will discuss the topic of grammar, and very good morning. You are welcome to our next class. Thank you very much.